Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the vanishing mode on Instagram. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, all you have to do is just simply open Instagram. Now just simply go to the chat section at the top right. Firstly, let me tell you what exactly is vanishing mode. Now the moment you will enable the vanishing mode on your Instagram chat, all the chats and messages that you will get from the other person or the chat that you will send yourself will only remain until you are on the chat. The moment you will leave the chat, the messages and whatever you have shared will be disappeared. So let me show you an example what I mean. Now over here, this is an account. Now over here, let's first enable vanishing mode. So how to enable vanishing mode? So all you have to do is just simply drag your screen towards the upside, just like this, and over here you will find the option swipe up to turn on vanishing mode. As you can see over here, the circle signifies how much you have progressed in enabling the vanishing mode, as you can see right over here. So the moment you will reach at the top, the vanishing mode is on, as you can see right over here. Now all you have to do is just simply leave the screen, and now your vanishing text is on. And as you can see, all the previous text is now disappeared. Now let's say you send a text. Say hi. Now send it. And as you can see right over here, I have sent a text. The moment the other person will see the text and then he or she will leave the chat, the text will automatically disappear. Let me show you how. So I already have that account over here. Now go to the message section, and when I will open this chat, and as you can see right over here, I saw the text. Now if I go back over here, and if I go back to my main account, you will find that the chat is now gone. Let me show you. As you can see, the chat is now gone, and it will be gone for both the accounts. So if I go back over here, refresh the page and go back to the chat, you will find that the chat is now missing. So that's how vanishing mode works and how to enable it. Now let me show you how to disable this option. All you have to do is just simply repeat the steps. Again, just simply drag your screen to the top in order to disable vanishing mode, just like that. And now the vanishing mode is disappeared. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.